Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you edit text, images, colors or layouts on your Lovable website but the changes don't save, disappear after refresh or never appear on the live site, you're not alone. In Lovable 2026 this issue is common and it's almost always caused by unsaved drafts, editor sync problems, cache conflicts or permissions, or even blocked actions. So in this guide or in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to fix changes not saving in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So there are some common changes not saving symptoms, like changes disappear after refresh, save button spins forever, saved message appears but not in updates, works in editor not live, only some sections save, or mobile edits reverts. So Lovable doesn't always autosave everything, so click save explicitly, wait for confirmation. Okay, do not refresh immediately. Most lost changes happen because save was skipped. Okay, so when it's skipped, that's what happened. Okay, so wait a few seconds before navigating away. So after saving, wait 10 seconds or 5 to 10 seconds, then change pages or sections. Leaving too fast can cancel the save process. Okay, so then refresh the editor and recheck. So sometimes the editor UI desyncs. So refresh the editor page, reopen the same page section, and then check if changes are actually there. Okay, so often the data is saved but the UI didn't update. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.